Hey everybody, so Shrouded Fable PC ETBs, they're gone. They're sold out, out of stock, no more on the Pokemon Center, US and Canada. I really just wanted to make a small update video on this, and to me it's just a bit ridiculous, but hey, they're gone. The more interesting point that I want to talk about is that there is no longer a single ETB in stock on the Pokemon Center, US and Canada. Not one. They're all gone. And what this leads me to believe is that we gotta be getting some more reprints of ETBs. Like maybe not the PC versions of everything, but you have to think something like Paldean Fates, something like obviously Prismatic will more than likely be coming. I don't know, maybe even they do 151. Like I doubt that. I really honestly doubt it based on how old the set is. Surging Sparks, I don't know, something else. Like we got to be getting some more ETBs, guys. For there to be nothing in stock on the Pokemon Center to me is just wild. And some other products I think are going to go soon. Battle Style still left in stock, the booster boxes. Temporal Forces and Stellar Crown booster boxes as well. Both of these, the market value is now moving above MSRP, so I imagine people are going to start buying out the selection on the Pokemon Center sooner rather than later. I imagine that's going to happen. And then, there's a few more Sword and Shield products, the Brilliant Stars Build and Battle Stadiums and Kits, the Cyrus and Clara Tournament Premium Collections, and then the Morpeko V-Union boxes that have Fusion and Brilliant Stars. I do imagine the booster boxes will end up going first, but a lot of these products are just going to continue to sell out over the next couple weeks, couple months, however long it takes. I don't think there's going to be any crazy business going on with the Shrouded Fable singles, like maybe a couple, see small increases just in response to this. One thing that I thought was interesting today, Duskull's actually higher and worth more than the Houndoom, which I thought was really interesting. And outside of that, like really not too much going on. All these cards are still holding in that, $15 to $35 range. A lot of these IRs, the Duskull, Houndoom, and Persian are still up there. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, guys, the Shrouded Fable PC ETBs are gone. There's no more ETBs on the Pokemon Center US. And I think this is a problem that Pokemon will eventually have to address with reprints of at least one set of ETBs, guys. Like give us Paldean Fates or something, please. Anyways, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. I'll catch you in the next one.